Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, click or tap the connections. And okay guys, here in connections, okay, you can see the mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the mobile hotspot and tethering. And okay guys, here you can see the mobile hotspot is off. And okay guys, to turn on the mobile hotspot, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this mobile hotspot. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on the mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this mobile hotspot. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully off. And okay guys, okay, I decide to turn on the mobile hotspot of this Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, okay, to see the password and the mobile hotspot name, you all have to do is tap the mobile hotspot. And okay guys, here you can see the mobile hotspot name or network name and the password. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.